Hello, this is Dayandev. We all experience various things in life, and sometimes we deeply ponder the reasons behind them. Today, let's explore the concepts of karma, destiny, and free will, which profoundly impact our lives through the ancient wisdom of the East. The great spiritual leader Ramana Maharishi taught that we must face the consequences of all our actions ourselves. This is based on the universal law of cause and effect, where good deeds bring good results and bad deeds bring suffering. According to Ramana Maharishi, karma is divided into three types. The first, sanchita karma, is the accumulated debt from past lives. The second, prarabdha karma, is a part of the karma that must be faced in this life, shaping our destiny. Finally, agami karma is the new karma accumulated in the present life, which will carry over to future lives. Sri Ramana taught that the law of karma only applies in the context of a separate self. By realizing the self, we can transcend the law of karma and attain true freedom. Sri Ramana acknowledged the validity of the law of karma, but stated that these laws only apply as long as the individual considers themselves to be separate from the self. At this level, the level of the common person, individuals are bound to a series of predetermined actions and experiences, all of which are the result of past actions and thoughts, he said. He also sometimes said that all the actions and experiences a person goes through in a lifetime are determined at birth, and the only freedom one has is to realize that there is no doer and no experiencer. However, once we realize the self, there is no one left to experience the results of actions, making the entire structure of the law of karma irrelevant. Sri Ramana considered the law of karma to be a fragment of God's will. He said that before we realize the self, the personal God Ishvara exists and regulates each individual's destiny. It is Ishvara who has decreed that each person must receive the fruits of their actions, and it is Ishvara who selects the course of actions each person must undergo in their respective lives. He also explained that the law of karma originates from the will of God. As long as we identify with the actions of the body, no one can escape this law. Only by realizing the self can we achieve complete freedom. The teachings of Ramana Maharishi provide us with important insights. Having a sense of responsibility for our actions and their consequences, and ultimately the journey to realizing the self, is the path towards true freedom. For more insights and wisdom on your spiritual journey, please subscribe to this channel and set up notifications. May peace and enlightenment be with you.